Hello students, welcome to your math class. This class we will continue with your new lesson, that is understanding quadrilateral. Okay, so quadrilateral, what is there? Quadrilateral. What is the quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means, children, a polygon having four sides. A polygon having four sides is called quadrilateral. It may be square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, okay, and trapezium also. Kite is also is called the quadrilateral. So children, how will construct a quadrilateral? Let's see. Let A, B, C, D are 4 points. Let A, B, C, D are 4 points in a plane such that no 3 points are collinear. Collinear means they should not be in a line. Means they should not make a line. This is called collinear. 3 points like that. So and make a line. So these points are collinear. So it is here that children, these 4 points will be taken. 4 points A, B, C, D, and no 3 points of them are collinear. Yes. So A, B, C, D. We have A, B, C, and D. So children, are they all collinear? They are not collinear. So children, line segment AB and this is C. Line segment AB, BC, CD, and D. These are 4 line segments. Okay. Do not intersect except their endpoints. Means these line segments do not intersect each other except their endpoint. Means they meet at their endpoints. So line segment AB and BC meet at B. Line segment BC and CD meet at C. Okay, that is the endpoint. C, D, A, and D is the endpoint of this line segment. Yes, children. Now, so we get a quadrilateral. We get a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, there are these 4 points. Points is which I already considered, A, B, C, D. So these 4 points are called vertices. A, B, C, D. These 4 points are called vertices. Yes. In other words, we can say that children, what is the vertex or what is the vertices? Children, the point where 2 line segments of quadrilateral meet or intersect, that point is called vertices, and that is the endpoint of this line segment also. Okay. Now children, AB, BC, CD, and DA, these are 4 line segments, which is the side of the quadrilateral. This is the side of the quadrilateral, and a quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. How many diagonals? 2 diagonals. So in this quadrilateral A, B, C, D, children, we have 2 diagonals, that is AC and BD. These 2 diagonals, so that's AC and BD are 2 diagonals. Okay. Adjacent side of quadrilateral. Adjacent side means the 2 sides which have a common vertex. The 2 sides which have a common vertex is called adjacent side. For example, suppose we have these 2 and these 2 sides intersect at a point there. So these 2 sides are called adjacent side. Okay, these 2 sides, this one and this one will be adjacent. Okay, and this is adjacent to this. It's clear? Okay. So children, here 2 sides of quadrilateral which have a common end point, means which have a common vertex, is called adjacent side. So children, in this quadrilateral A, B, C, D, adjacent side is AB adjacent to AB adjacent to BC. BC is adjacent, as well as AB and AD also adjacent side. Why? AB and AD also adjacent side. AB and AD because it has a common vertex, that is A, and in AB and BC it's a common vertex, that is B. So children, like that, what is the adjacent side of CD? Adjacent side of CD, there are 2 adjacent sides, CB and DA also. These both the sides are adjacent side of CD. Okay. Now opposite side of the quadrilateral. Opposite side of the quadrilateral means children, the sides of quadrilateral are called opposite side if they have not a common endpoint. If they have not a common endpoint, so children, in AB is opposite to CD. AB is opposite to CD because in AB and CD have no common points. Okay, like that CD is opposite to AB. So children, AB is opposite to CD and AD is opposite to BC. Okay, this is opposite. ABC and AD is opposite to each other, and AB and BC is opposite to each other. Okay, so are you understand what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side are these two sides of quadrilateral is called adjacent side if they have at least one common endpoint or one common vertex. Okay, if they do not have a common endpoint, so they are called opposite side. Okay, adjacent angle of quadrilateral. These are very conceptual points, so you must have to remember it. Adjacent angle of a quadrilateral. So children, what is the adjacent angle of quadrilateral? Two angles are called adjacent angle if they have common arms. Okay, two angles of a quadrilateral having a common arms are called adjacent angle. So children, angle A and angle B. Angle A and angle B both are adjacent angle because both have a common arms, that is A. Yes, like that angle A and angle D, angle A and angle D are also adjacent angle because it's have a common arm, that is AD. Okay, so here for example angle B is adjacent to angle A and angle A also adjacent to angle D. Why? Because they have it's have a common arm, that is AD, or we can say that common side. Okay, and angle B is adjacent to angle C because it's a common side or common arms, that is CA, and angle C is adjacent to angle B. Angle B and angle C adjacent, angle A, angle B adjacent angle, angle A, angle D adjacent angle. It's clear? Now children, opposite angles. Opposite angles, two angles of a quadrilateral which is not adjacent. Two angles of quadrilateral which is not adjacent, that angles are called opposite angles. So in children, what is the opposite angle of angle A? Opposite angle of angle A is C. These both. Yes, because angle B and angle D are adjacent angle of angle A, only C is remaining. So children, angle A is the opposite angle of angle C and angle D is the opposite angle of angle B. Okay, I hope it's clear. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. In class 7, you learned angle sum properties of triangle. So angle sum property of triangle is sum of the all angle of triangle. Sum of the all angle of triangles are 100 is 180 degree. Yes. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. These properties you have learned in class 7. In this class, we have to prove also the sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. The sum of angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. We have to prove it, and sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. They already proved in class 7. Okay, so children, let ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now we draw its diagonal, that is AC. Means when we join A to C, so we get a diagonal, that is AC. Now this angle is one, consider angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So children, when we join AC, so we get two triangle. How many triangle? Two triangle, that is ABC, one triangle, and second triangle is ABC. ABC, this is the second triangle. Clear children? Now we have two triangle. So in triangle ABC, by angle sum property of triangle, we get angle 1 plus angle B, angle 1 plus angle B plus angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. How? That is equation number 1 by angle sum property of triangle. Okay, now in triangle ABC, children, in triangle ABC we get angle 2 plus angle D plus angle 4, angle 2 plus angle D plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree, children, by this. That is equation number 2, which is also by angle sum property. Now children, we will add these two equations. So adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get what we get, children. When we add them, so we get angle 1 plus angle B plus angle 3, left hand side added in left hand side and right hand side will be added in right hand side, plus angle 2 plus angle D plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now children, angle 1 and angle 2 write together. Angle 1 plus angle 2, okay, now plus angle B plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Children, angle 1 plus angle 2, this is angle 1 from there, this is angle 1 plus angle 2. When we will add them, so what we get? This angle and this angle is the angle A. So angle 1 plus angle 2 we can be replaced by angle A. Yes, so angle A plus angle B is already given plus angle 3 plus angle 4. Children, angle 3 plus angle 4. When we will add them, so we get this angle. Okay, so this angle is the angle C. This is the angle C. So plus angle C and plus angle D is equal to, children, 360 degree. This is proved. Means sum of the all four angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degree. It's clear? And we have a question which is based on the angle sum property of quadrilateral. They are given that the four angles. First, you have to understand the meaning of the question. Four angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio of 2:3:5:8. So children, find the angles. It is given that a ratio of that angle is 2:3:5:8. So let the angles are 2x, 3x, 5x and 8x. So let children, angles are 2x, thereafter 3x, 5x and 8x. Yes children, now as we know that the sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So when we add them, so what we get? 360 degree. So by angle sum property of quadrilateral we get 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 8x is equal to 360 degree. Now children, we will add them. We get 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2, that is 18. Yes, 18x is equal to 360 degree. We have to find the value of x. So transpose 18 from left to right. So we get 360 divided by 18 is equal to 20 degree. So value of x is 20 degree. But we consider the angles are 2x, 3x and 5x and 8x. So replace x by 20. So we get the required angles. So children, required angles are 2x means 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40 degree. Next is 3x. So 3 multiplied by 20 degree, that is 60 degree. Now 5x. So So 5 multiplied by 20 degree is equal to 100 degree. Now select 8x, that is 8 multiplied by 20 degree, means x replaced by 20 because we got the value of x, that is 20. So that is okay. So required angles are 40 degree, 60 degree, 100 degree and 160 degree. When you will add, so you will get 360 degree. Okay.